this is Kibo Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa kampi o kalaban, which is Kay versus Besa. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Kinakabahan ako.
Sino kaya kina Besa at Kay ang
Besa?
makakabalik sa top of the clash? Sinong gusto mauna sa inyo? Kay, gusto mo mauna?
Ako na lang bumama.
Ako na lang mauuna.
Ako na lang bumama.
Alright! Kay, ikaw ang mauna! Ito ang round 2! Kakampi o kalaban! It's Kay versus Besa! Let the team clash
Versus
begin!
Besa. Okay, go.
One thing for sure I know po
Anong
is
kakantahin ni
yung
Kay?
first performance ko, hindi pa po yun yung pinaka maibibigay ko.
Magaling
Magagaling
din to si Kay eh.
Pero I'm not gonna let my guard down. May laban pa rin po ako and ipapakita ko po yung next round. Sa makakatapat ko, humanda ka. Kasi yung first round, patikim pa lang yun. I'm gonna show everyone sino talaga si Kay and kung ano talaga yung baon ko this round. So, better watch out.
Wish I could.
Ganda na kanta yan.
I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to.
Ang ganda ng kanta niya.
Maybe even cried for you. If I knew it would be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two. Trying to save a part of you. Don't wanna feel another touch.
Shukan.
Don't wanna start another fire. Don't wanna know another kiss. No other name falling off my lips. And I'll never love. And I don't wanna give somebody else the better part of me. I would rather wait for you. Don't wanna give my heart away to another sailor or another deep breath.
Ang gagaling nila.
Won't even let the sunlight in. No, I'll never love
Tunog Julian. Tunog Julian siya, no? Tunog Julian talaga siya, ma'am. Oh my God. Wait. Can we just repeat on this part? Siya crucial na part. Atake. Ano ba? Ang lala. Grabe, puno pa emotion siya kumanta, no? Ito ng performance ni Besa. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung performance ni Besa.
Sino kina Kay at Besa ang safe at sino ang maharap
Bakit?
ni Donald sa matirang matibay? Ito ang round 2 kakampi o kalaban. Besa versus Kay. Let the team clash begin!
Besa, anong kakantahin ni Besa?
First of all, yung ginawa ko lang naman po talaga dito is pinakita ko sa kanila
From
kung sino naman
Silang.
talaga ako. I did not fake anything.
I
I am
didn't fake
somebody
anything.
who's
I love
loud and
it.
somebody who's outgoing, jokers, and ayun lang po
Jokers.
talaga yung pinakita ko. What I can offer is that was not everything. That was only
It's
half
not
of it.
everything. O, di mo
So,
kaya.
makakatapat ko.
Kaya nyo yun.
Kung anong ipinakita ko last round, wala pa yun. Ano?
Attitude.
Kailangan ka? Tara,
Charis lang.
fair.
Charis.
Party girls don't get hurt, can't feel anything when we're lying
God, ang galing.
push it down, push it down.
Oh my God, ang galing.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3.
Oh my God, ang galing. Okay, kung ako papipiliin, maganda din naman ang boses ni Kay. Pero kasi marami na yung ganung boses sa industry. So, pipiliin na lang nila yung mas unique ang boses.
1, 2, 3,
Diba? Parehas na magaling eh.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink.
Oh my God, ang galing.
Till I lose count.
Oh, sarap.
Gonna swing from the chandelier.
Oh my God.
Chandelier.
I think si Donal ang uuwi for today.
I'll look down, open my eyes.
Ang galing.
Keep my glass full until morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. Help me, I'm holding on for dear life. I'll look down, open my eyes. Keep my glass full until morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight, on for tonight. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, jump. Throwing back till I lose count. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist.
Change.
Gonna
Okay, I'll go for her. It's Besa. It's Besa.
from the chandelier, from the chandelier.
Bias ko si Martin and si Kay eh. It's Besa. It's Besa. Oh my God, doon tayo sa totoo. It's Besa. Wow! I really love that part.
From the chandelier, from the
Oh my God, she's really good. She's really good. It's Besa for me. So yeah, that is all for today's video. This is Kijibo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Wow! Pasabog lahat. Okay, I'm rooting for Besa as well. Babantayan ko din to siya. Ang galing niya.